Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage, and today I'm making a mould remover out of white vinegar and pure tea tree oil. It's spring here at Moat Cottage, and with the extra sunshine that's shining through the windows, you can see things that you didn't realise were there, like some mould growing around some of the windows. So what I'm going to be doing is making a mould remover. And vinegar, white vinegar that is what I use because that swells up the mould spores and explodes them. It doesn't wash them away though, obviously, unless you're scrubbing. But what we're going to do is we're making a spray that we spray onto the mould, let it sit for a few days, and then we come back and we remove it after that. So the first priority is to kill the mould, and that's what this does. So we almost fill the jar with the white vinegar, leaving a little bit of space for the essential oils. And then we're going to pour in about a teaspoon of pure essential tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is great for adding to the mop bucket when you're cleaning the floors, if you've got pets, to clean up around the pets. And it's really good in this mould killing spray as well. So we give it a shake, and then it's right to spray on the mould. So it's sprayed on the mould. I'll leave that for a few days to swell up the mould spores. They can explode and die, and then I'll rub it off with some vinegar and a cloth. Every time I use this solution, I give it a little shake, and that keeps the oil mixed in with the white vinegar. I also make sure I label it clearly, and I put an expiry date on it. The expiry date is the first date out of my 2 ingredients, so I'll write that on there as well. This is a natural way to kill mould, and it's not harmful for the family. So try it out and see what you think. I'll leave the recipe in the description below, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.